Hair mask to promote hair growth with egg and yogurt. In fact, yogurt is not only for eating but also for making one of the best hair masks to promote hair growth. Everyone knows that yogurt is really good for their health due to the high amount of probiotics and other types of nutrients such as vitamin C and E. Yogurt can be consumed regularly to strengthen your immune system. In addition, yogurt can be used to create an amazing paste to revive your hair and solve common hair problems such as hair loss. Thinning hair and bring beautiful long hair. Because yogurt has many nutrients that can promote rapid hair growth and thickness, many people believe that yogurt will make your hair the desired hair. Especially when yogurt is combined with a completely wet material such as eggs. This combination can become an excellent material that can give your hair the desired length and thickness. Now, let's get started with this amazing treatment. First, break an egg and beat it until frothy. Put the scrambled eggs together with yogurt and mayonnaise in a blender to mix all the ingredients together. Mix them until a soft dough is obtained. Apply this paste gently on your scalp and hair. Cover your hair carefully with a shower cap for an hour. After that, wash the mask with water and then a mild shampoo.